Hi, in this lesson I'm going to introduce you how to do PATS teaching, and if you haven't done it before, this is a good way to actually start and understand this teaching itself. So for this you will need just a piece of paper and just to mark dots. So if I'm going to show you what I'm doing, so to mark two dots next to each other like that, and then have a step and mark another two dots, and then step and mark another two dots, and continue to the end of your page like that. So it doesn't matter the distance really in the between these two dots. Here just do about 1 centimeter, but again it doesn't really matter. It's all about the process of understanding. So now what we're going to do, so I'm going to use red thread so you can see, and you can do it exactly the same. So I'm going to make a knot so it's easy to, so it stays, and then I'm going to connect my dots, so again from that side to another, and then go there to there, to there. So you can see these diagonal lines, red lines. PATS teaching can be all different sizes from small to big, and it's used a lot in tailoring. Go to right to the end of the paper. The next step would be is to move to next line, and to do that again it may help you if you draw the line dots, and those dots will be in the between two of those dots there. So you put your other dots in the between there, two dots there, between two, between two. Okay, and now we're going to do it the same way but opposite. Just to remind you all to make sure you use your thimble for any hand stitching you are doing, just to protect your skin. Yeah, so that's now we've done two lines, and then now next one will be exactly the same. So you continue, and then you draw two dots in the between. And if you understand already the principle of that, you don't have to do dots. Okay. It's quite simple. There we go. So I will advise you before you are using and applying your PATS teaching to actually try on the cloth. Again, I'm going to use red thread so you can see, and I'm not going to mark my dots, but again, so just imagine them, and that's how I go. So just going to follow that line. Again, all your PATS teaching can be different sizes, depends the purpose of them, which is I will explain to you later. At the moment, you just need to learn the method of your PATS teaching. Okay, can you see that? And then go across and in between. And it creates that lovely pattern. Can you see that? So I'm going to do that in the white thread as well, so you can see better. My scissors. There you go. Just going to do in white, so maybe it's be more visible. Again, so if I start it from here, just continue. Between, yeah. There we go, and got next one. So in the between these two, goes that. And they can be bigger, wider, tied it together, shorter, so it's all different sizes. Oops. There we go. So you can see better. But see, that's a lovely pattern, and that's what we would like to achieve actually, is that type of pattern, and understand the process, how its pattern stitching is done. Okay, thank you. See you next.